this afternoon. And also, palakpakan namin, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, thank you so much for being with us here. Let's elala to our Iwetomo, Mr. and Mrs. Hefer Rasay, and Jamilo Krisha Tanutan Rasa. Palakpakan namin, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, isang mga sigaw ng palakpakan na may kasamang hingawan para sa ating mundong kasal. Thank you so much. Pwede na pong ang lahat.